I'll be guiding you guys on how to use American Express gift card on eBay. So let's get started. While eBay doesn't currently accept American Express gift cards directly, here are some creative ways to work around this limitation. Now, the first one is to add your gift card to digital wallet. So you can link your American Express gift card to your PayPal account, converting it into a flexible payment method. During checkout on eBay, you can select PayPal and your purchase will be powered by your gift card funds. Now, if you have a friend who's a Venmo user and an eBay enthusiast, you can link your gift card to Venmo and send them the funds. They can then purchase the item for you on eBay, making it a gift within a gift. Now, the second option is gift card exchange. You can visit stores like Walmart, Target, or Best Buy where you can use your American Express gift card to purchase an eBay gift card. Then you can redeem the eBay gift card code online to unlock a direct payment method for your eBay shopping spree. Now, the second one is online options. Explore online retailers like Amazon or Rakuten that offer eBay gift cards and may accept American Express gift card as payment. Now, let's look at some alternative methods. Now, if you have a regular debit or credit card linked to your eBay account, consider using it for payments. It's the most straightforward route for smooth transactions. Or you can even ask a friend or family member who uses eBay to purchase an eBay gift code for you using their payment method. They can then gift you the code, allowing you to use it for your eBay purchase. And then, if you want, you can pay them back using cash, or you can give them the American Express gift card, which they can use on their own for their personal use. So, alright, guys, I'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.